Why you'll be left behind without ChatGPT. Let's be honest, the world has changed. Fast. People using ChatGPT are moving quicker, creating more, and solving problems in seconds, not hours. And the scary part? Most of them aren't even telling anyone. They're building businesses, writing books, launching YouTube channels, designing products, while their competitors are still stuck Googling how to get started. This isn't hype. It's not sci-fi. It's now. If you're not using AI, someone else is. And they're coming for your job, your market, or your audience. You don't need to master it. You just need to start. Because ChatGPT isn't just a tool. It's a multiplier. And if you wait too long, you'll need to do twice the work just to stay in the game. Subscribe now, because this channel shows you how to stay ahead while everyone else plays catch up.